Destination Cathays Park in the heart of Cardiff, headquarters of one of Wales's certain growth industries. Established a decade ago, employees 770, turnover £112 million a year. The Welsh Office. The Elevenses trundle their way along corridors of power that stretch further as year succeeds year. Once the Welsh Board of Health lived here alone. Then the Welsh Office decided to share it. In April of this year, the health people were swallowed up. More room was needed for debate on subjects of deep public concern, in private.
We have a set of figures here, sir, which convinces the council that it'd be very much more economical for the council themselves to go on with their scheme.
In the Challengers' Corner, Councillor Thomas of Cymru, which recently set aside a site for a swimming pool. Monmouthshire County Council wanted to implement a different scheme, and the Welsh Office agreed. Cymru protested. The Secretary of State now hears their case.
When I saw this questionnaire, one of the questionnaires in the local paper, I've never seen such a loaded questionnaire.
May I interrupt, sir? That was not our questionnaire.
I'm not blaming you for the questionnaire.
That was not the questionnaire.
No, I don't think that ought to be put in because the council had nothing whatever to do with that.
But Monmouthshire aren't throwing in the towel either. Politicians and civil servants do know about these things, and the argument can't be allowed to eat too far into the precious time of a Minister of the Crown. There's a cabinet meeting in London, and the train leaves Cardiff at 11:30.
I will have to be an arbitrator. It's not a task that anyone would like, because sincerity is not the monopoly of either deputation. It's the public interest, the interest of us all. But I'll do my best, and I can say I will do it with a spirit of fairness. Thank you.
And the referee's verdict will be in a fortnight. Meanwhile, let's remember this administration gave equal validity to the Welsh language.
Bore da I gyd. That means good morning all Monmouthshire.